Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm about to show you guys how to cancel a booking on booking.com. So let's get started today's video. So first of all you have to open up your booking.pk app, and once you are on the app, here you can see the booking option that bottom of the screen. Just tap on it, and now here you can see the all of your hotel information, and along here you can see the three little dots along the hotel. Just simply tap on it, and now you can see the pop-up is up here. So in the bottom you can see the cancel booking option. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to tap on the cancel the entire booking. Just tap on it, and now here you can see the all of your cancelling information, and just tap on cancel. And now it will ask for you the reason for cancelling. Just simply select the reason and then tap on cancel my booking on the bottom button. Just tap on it, and now you can see your booking has been cancelled. So that's it guys. If this video is helpful for you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.